everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna do a little challenge this time. I was doing a little shopping on Amazon. I found something pretty cool, and we're gonna use it today. See my nice pin. This is the pocket pin fishing rod. I'll put it together here in a second down there. But there's the rod. There's the reel. So we're going to test this bad boy out, do a little challenge with it, see what we can catch. And also stay tuned to the end. So hopefully I will have the giveaway at the end of this video. Got a few personal things going on, so hopefully I'll get it time to get it in here. We had a loss in the family, so we'll be dealing with that this week. Sucks. I hate funerals and everything. But it was my grandmother. She was I think she was right around 98. So she lived a very long and amazing life. And she will be missed, but I'm gonna get down here and do this challenge, so stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, here we go. Guess that's one section. There we go. There's a rod. Oh, it's about maybe 3 foot if we're lucky. Let's see. How in the heck does this work? Lost a piece. There it is. I can get it out of there. Have something to hold my reel on. It's a cool little fishing rod. Looks like it's gonna be a pain to get lined up though. I think we might be lined up enough. Let me get some bait on here, guys, and see what we can catch. But there it is, the pocket pin fishing reel. Real smooth. It was like $12 on Amazon. Here to be something fun to try out. It's even got micro guides. If I don't break it, I'm trying to get it straight. Alright, I'm gonna get a hook on here. Hopefully I can get this done before a storm comes. It looks like it's about to hit. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I want to see what this thing can do. Shoot, maybe nothing. That wasn't good. Come on, you gotta be able to cast. Oh my God. The bell keeps closing as soon as I cast. I gotta get more distance than that. Might just throw this in the river and give up. Hold on guys, I'm gonna put some sinkers on instead of the float. What did we get? That's like a creek chub or something. Bait. I could use him for bait. Probably catch a big smallie. Can't even hold on to him. Is that like, you guys let me know what it is. I think it's a creek chub maybe. Not for sure, but comment, let me know if you know what that is. And we will be hopefully doing a trout catch and cook soon. They started stocking now, so we'll be doing some trout fishing. And not really ever filleted a fish. I usually just cook them with the bone, but I might try to fillet it and cook it on my fire pit. This is how I gotta cast this thing. I gotta hold the bell because it flings shut, and I can get about an 8-foot cast. That's it. And line memory is horrible. But really looking forward to the trout fishing. I love it. Got some places where they stock some huge trout. So hopefully within the next month I can get us a trout video made. Well, stay tuned, guys. See if we can get something else. Uh-oh. Crap. There we go. We got something a little bit bigger. What is it? Oh, that can't be what I had. Did you rip and drag that much? Nerd. Looks like you're dead. Did maybe a smallmouth hit it? Had to be. Smallmouth had to smack it or something. Because he's in total shock. Not even moving. His tail's tore all to pieces. That's weird. Did a smallmouth bite you? Well, here it could have been a largemouth. I'm not sure. That's the third species, a red eye, but something has tore him up. You can see the teeth marks on his tail. Can you guys see that? Yeah, something stunned him big time. See if we can get it. Had to be either a smallmouth or a largemouth. Nice. We're getting a bite. Maybe. Aw. Hang up city. Jeez. I don't know why they put this line on here. It feels like it's a 10-pound line on this little tiny reel. That's one reason it won't cast with the crap. Well, time to tie another hook on. Stay tuned. We got something. Nope, we lost something. I don't know how it didn't get hooked if it's a tiny hook. Makes no sense. I don't know if you guys can hear me too good. I'm right beside the rapids and waterfall. See if we can get it again. Overall, I give this reel about a 0 out of 10. Casting sucks. Reeling sucks. Line sucks. Rod sucks. This is about as useful as a paperweight. It's about what it's good for. Which the casting Would be a lot better if it had normal line guides and a little bit smaller line. I don't know why it's got huge line on it. It's about the diameter of 10 pound. So all that together makes it horrible. This is more or less just a novelty, I would say, because I don't see no true purpose in using it to fish, because it's crap. I mean, I got to hold it like that because the bell flies shut when you try to cast. And the lines got wrapped up so many times. I mean, I'm about done emptied the spool out from fighting this line. I'd like to catch one more fish though before I go. Get in here. Yeah, we got a pretty one though. Nothing trying to eat at that time. I don't know what. That red eye is the last fish I caught out of this hole. Whatever hit it must have scared everything off with the commotion it made. Because it ripped up through there. And I've not even seen another fish in there since. I caught 3 in about 5 minutes. And that last one did it in. For some reason. Worm's bigger than your mouth, buddy. You can't see. There we go. That was actually easy. But that butte, it is a beautiful fish, you gotta admit. The colors on them are beautiful. Pretty fish. See ya, buddy. Well, I may try for a few more minutes, but if not, thanks for watching, guys. And if so, you will see another clip of some more fish. Thanks. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed the little challenge, I guess you would call it. It was fun, but that was probably the worst $10 purchase I've ever made in my life. That rod was junk. You guys like the new PC Fun hat? I love it. But we will be doing the flame giveaway. I want to make sure. I might be a little late uploading this tonight when you guys watch it, but I will do the flame giveaway tonight. So flame will have a new home very soon. Wish you all luck with it, and hope whoever wins really enjoys it, because it's a really good reel. But as for the reel I bought, it's trash. I'm going to keep it, maybe try to catch a big fish with it, just see if we can rip it apart or something. I don't know. Or I may just throw it in the fire pit and burn it. I guess we will see. But I'm gonna definitely get this video and the giveaway up for you guys this week. With the death of my grandmother, I will have other things I'll be doing this week, so I may or may not get another video up this week. But if I don't, at least you guys know what's going on. And we want to get off and drive before before I crash. Just now about hit a squirrel. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Alright, everyone. Finally got time to do the PC Fun Flame giveaway. If you guys have me on Facebook and stuff, you know what's been going on and everything. I've been kind of MIA this week, being out of town for a funeral. I'm glad to finally have time to get this taken care of. 62 unique commenters. I tried to do this giveaway about 4 days ago, but I never could get time to do it. Jimmy Jocelyn. Jimmy Jocelyn, you are the winner with the awesome looking reel. Would love to win it. So as long as you are subscribed, you did win it, buddy. You need to get on Instagram, message me, or my email. It will be in the description also. Send me a message and give me your address, and I will ship this bad boy out to you. And soon we will start another giveaway. I actually think I might be giving away another reel, spinning reel from PC Fun. I'm not sure yet, but look out for the video, because in the next few days it will be uploaded. So thanks to everyone that participated, and remember that we will always be doing giveaways. I try to do at least one a month, and that usually I always have one running. I mean, there might be a few days in between each giveaway, but at least once a month we will be giving something away. So Jimmy Jocelyn, sorry if that's not the way to say your last name, but email me your address, bud, so I can send this out to you. Thanks, guys.